If you don't see incoming calls on Realme Note 78C, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, what you can do is check if you do not have the Do Not Disturb mode activated. The easiest way to do so is to simply go to Quick Settings over here, and then we can try to find the DND mode. In my case, it is over here, this moon icon. If the Do Not Disturb mode is activated, then of course, if you have a call, then you won't be able to see it. You will find it in notifications, but it won't be displayed on the screen. So you might want to check if DND mode is not enabled. If this was not the reason why you don't see incoming calls, and then another thing that you can do is to go to Settings. And over here in Settings, we're going to go to Apps, then go to App Management. And now we can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, and we need to show system. So now we should be able to see all apps that we have, even those hidden system apps. And now we're gonna use the search over here at the top. Let's use it. And we can write phone. There you go. And over here we can find apps related to phone. Unfortunately, it was closed. I'm not sure why. So let's go to phone. Oh, I see, because it closes, it deletes when we tap anywhere outside or when we start scrolling, unfortunately. So let's just scroll down to P. There we go, we have phone. So we're gonna go to the phone app over here. We want to force stop the app, and then we can go to permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions over here are allowed. If some of them are not allowed, then you want to go over here and grant the permission. You can also go to notifications, and you want to make sure that all of these notifications are enabled. Most of them are actually force enabled and you cannot turn them off, but just to be sure. Besides that, we're gonna go to the storage usage, and you want to clear data. There we go. Now we're gonna go back, and this time we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage over here. And in this case, we want to open storage usage, and we want to clear cache. If possible, clear data. If not, then just clear cache. And let's go back. Then we're gonna go to phone calls over here. Let's see. There we go. And go to storage usage again, and we want to clear data. And let's go back. Then we're gonna go to the phone services. And over here, do the same thing. Open storage and clear data. All right. Now after that, I'm not sure why I cannot really scroll. It's kind of lagging. But the next thing that we want to do is search for a call. So we're gonna scroll up again and just type call. And of course, I know that it's gonna close, but okay, there is nothing left over here. So once that is done, another thing that you need to do before we move on is to go to the phone app. We want to actually open it because we force stopped it. So we wanted to turn it back on just to make sure that that it is running in the background. And then you can try to get the call and see if that works, and hopefully it does. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.